In this video, we'll explore the different services that are available as part of the Unity platform. To access the services, make sure that you're signed in with your Unity ID and that you've created a project ID and an organization it's affiliated with. To get to the Services window, choose Window and Services from the top menu. All of the Unity services can be accessed here in the Services window in the editor. There are different services available depending on the need of your game. Ads are available to help monetize the game, supporting a freemium model, or allowing users to unlock content by viewing ads. There are two main types of ads, simple and rewarded. Simple ads can be skipped by default, whereas rewarded cannot. Analytics allow you to record custom data events for your game, finding out how players are behaving in the game, where they're getting stuck, or places they may find too easy or not going. Cloud Build requires a source control repository. What Cloud Build will do is allow you to build in the cloud different mobile builds of your game while not tying up a machine at your studio. In-app purchasing allows players to purchase upgrades and unlock content in the game using microtransactions as a monetization strategy. And finally, multiplayer allows you to have multiple players in a game using Unity Multiplayer's Matchmaker service and Relay server to create and play network games for different consoles and mobile platforms. To access any of the services, click on the Off button to the right side. I've opened up Ads, and to activate Ads, which we can see is available for iOS and Android, I'll click on the switch on the top right and enable it. Once you've enabled Ads, you need to mark your game as either for children under 13 or not for children under 13. I'll click This game is not directed to children under 13 and save changes. Now we're ready to embed ads in our game. The actual embedding of the ad is beyond the scope of this courseware. However, if you'd like to take your knowledge further, look at the code samples here next to Settings. These will show you how to place an ad into the game and enable them. At any point, you can go back to the main Services window by clicking Back to Services. I'll turn off Ads and turn on Analytics. Unity Analytics support a wide variety of platforms including Android, iOS, Linux, Mac, PC, WebGL, Windows 8.1 Universal, and Windows 10 Universal. Analytics allow publishers to access data on players and find out where they're getting stuck, what's the easiest part, how much money is the game making, who's spending, and other custom data events. Again, enabling analytics is beyond the scope of this game. If you'd like to go further, look into the Unity documentation on analytics. Cloud Build uses a source control repository and cloud computing power to build mobile builds of the game without tying down a dedicated machine at a studio. To use Cloud Build, you need to have your work saved in a source control repository such as GitHub or Mercurial. Once that's enabled, click Start using Cloud Build, and then identify the source control host type and source control hosting URL. Remember, planning for services in the design of the game is vital to the monetization and life of the game, and also allows the studio to further develop, improve, and iterate on the game to keep players engaged. If you'd like to find out more about Unity services, go to unity3d.com and click on the Services button for more information. From here, click on the Learn More button on any of the services. Additionally, check the Unity documentation for instructions on how to implement the Unity services and their capabilities.